Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Now in the video I will show you and tell you how to add a link to the site in TikTok. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Put likes. Let's get started. To do this, you will need to go to TikTok. Then open your profile in the bottom right corner. Then here you click Edit Profile. If you want to add a link, there's a tab called Website. If you have less than 1,000 subscribers, you will not be able to add a link. To do that, you click Website. This is where you enter the link. Let's say, for example, I write youtube.com. And I'll show you that it works. Click Save. Then Exit. And we have this link here. Now we can click on it. And we automatically go straight to YouTube. You can leave any link you want to any website. Click Save. And after that, any person follows your link will automatically go to the website. If you helped and liked this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Give it a like. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.